Samsung, a titan in the smartphone industry, is gearing up for its 2024 Unpacked event on 17th of January, and the star of the show is none other than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. With leaks pouring in from all corners of the internet, we've compiled the most exciting features and upgrades that are expected to debut in this flagship model. A camera revolution, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to bring significant improvements to its camera system. The device is expected to offer 4K recordings at 120 frames per second, a feature that has been popular in action cameras and Sony Xperia flagship devices. This upgrade could potentially revolutionize the way we capture and share our world. Moreover, the S24 Ultra is expected to feature improved image saturation and sharpening, resulting in a much more realistic finish. This addresses one of the criticisms of the S23's camera, which sometimes produced oversaturated images with unrealistic colors. The 200-megapixel camera will also be equipped with AI capabilities to make it even better. AI, the game changer. Artificial intelligence is set to take center stage in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Leaks suggest that the device will use onboard AI to perform tasks like generating images, writing content such as emails and messages, translating text, and recognizing voices. This positions the S24 Ultra as not just a smartphone, but a powerful AI hub. Design and display. The S24 Ultra is expected to come in a variety of colors, including standard gray and black, as well as purple and yellow. The device is also rumored to feel great to hold, thanks to its flatter design compared to its predecessor, and the titanium material used in the frame to make it even stronger and lighter. The display is another area where the S24 Ultra is expected to shine. The device will reportedly reach 2,600 nits, and it will utilize Gorilla Glass Victus, the strongest glass Corning makes. This would put Samsung significantly ahead of competitors like Google's Pixel Pro and Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max. While the leaks paint an exciting picture, it's important to note that some features are still under testing and may not be ready for launch. For instance, the 4K at 120 frames per second video recording feature is currently undergoing testing. Additionally, the base version of the S24 is reported to carry only 8 GB of RAM. This is in line with the RAM on the Google Pixel 8 and the iPhone 15. It's worth questioning whether the base model will have enough RAM to run all the AI features. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra promises to be a game changer with its focus on AI and camera improvements. However, we'll have to wait until the official announcement at the Unpacked event to confirm these features. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the launch date. What do you guys think of the S24 Ultra? Do you think it will beat other flagship smartphones in the market? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.